Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain first chapter of Footprints, uh, Triumph of Surgery. Some of the paragraphs I have explained, and now I am going to explain the last paragraphs. So, in introduction, I have given you the explanation that this is a triumph of surgery. Triumph means a victory, and surgery means some kind of disease there. If there is in the body, that we just remove it. Okay, so for the cure of the body. So see what kind of surgery the narrator is going to perform in this story. This is not a surgery but a physical exercise that makes the dog appears happy or make it bring back it in proper good health. So see what happens when the dog was taken in the custody of the narrator, Dr. Harriet, the veterinary doctor, a doctor who takes care of animal. So at the surgery, the household dogs surged around me, means moving here and there. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. This was the activity. The other dogs were just moving here and there, but the uh, Tricky, who was very loving and very pampered dog by its mistress, Miss Pomfrey, so it was not moving anywhere. He was just sitting on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing is a kind of movement that they used to do. Sniffing means just growling or taking airs or giving airs it back, means inhaling and exhaling. Okay, around him for a few seconds. Decided, actually the dogs were inspecting the new colleagues. That was Tricky. Decided he was an uninterested object, okay, and ignored him. And finally, the other dogs ignored Tricky because Tricky was not taking interest in any one of them. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. Initially, uh, this dog, Tricky, was placed or kept in a very nice bedroom or in a kennel. Kennel is the living place of the dog. But now the doctor, Mr. Harriet, is keeping him in a wooden box or in a wooden place, and there he was just keeping some very normal things. So in order to just take rest, for 2 days, I kept an eye on him, and now the narrator was observing about his activity of the dog, giving him no food, but plenty of water. He was giving only water and water, not no food. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Means 2 days, the dog was not given any food, only boiled water he was given. But after this, the third day, the dog Tricky started taking interest. Whimpering means a kind of sound he started giving, or whimpering is also just moving here and there. uh, when he heard the dogs in the yard, when I opened the door, Tricky trotted means a kind of slow out, and was immediately engulfed by Joe the greyhound. Means engulf means he just engulf means interacted. Interacted with Joe, one another dog, that his breed is ground greyhounds, and his friends. After rolling his over thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moves off down the garden. And after inspecting the dogs, they all moved uh, in the garden, means they left the place and they just start roaming here and there and move in the garden. Tiki followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Rolling slightly means very slowly he was moving because he was very thick. Later that day, I was present at feeding time, means the next day means the fourth day. Um, the doctor was also present and wanted to inspect the dogs. I watched while Tristan slopped the food, okay, into the bowls. That was the plate. That was a kind of, this plate in which they were given food. So there was one person was there whose name is Tristan. Slopped means gave them food. There was the usual headlong, okay, rush, followed by the sounds of, high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. All of the dogs except Tricky were aware of that if they will not reach at the food spot, they will not get enough food. So they reach there as soon as fast, okay, because they knew that if they will reach late, they will not get food, enough food, or even no food. But this particular things was not aware of, means Tiki was not aware of this kind of thing. When they had finished, means eight of all, Tiki took a walk, okay, around the shining bowls, and Tiki reached at the place where the food was, placed in a bowls. Licking means just um, with its tongue, it was just kind of licking the bowls casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. And finally, the next day, he was given another bowls, okay, another day food, and that day he was jostling means a kind of movement he was here. From then on, his progress was rapid, and after that, his movement, walking and running, rapidly improved. He had no medicine treatment, okay, of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, and now no treatment was given to him. All day he used to run with the dogs, okay, joining in their friendly scrimmages, a kind of movement, a kind of fight, a kind of tussle, a kind of snatching. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, okay, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. This was the kind of movement, action, and activity done among the dogs by dog themselves. He became an accepted member of the gang, means the group, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. And now see, when the dog, means the tricky, was not given food, okay, separately, every time, now he is asking for, he was looking for, he was searching for, he was trying to find the food, okay. So now he was feeling hungry, and now he was in search of food. So in daytime, when the food was given to the dogs, now there he was fighting for food, and in the night time he was just looking for, cats, sorry, rats, like this. He's telling that. He had never had such a time in his life. This kind of activity he has never performed in his whole life. All the while, Mrs. Pomfrey loved anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Okay, means many times, okay, Mrs. Pomfrey used to ask about her dog, about her food, about her quilts, about everything. I dodged the questions, okay, about whether his cushion were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. These are the questions, okay. The narrator was asked to just explain, but he was not doing any kind of work, okay. The dog, means the tricky, was placed among the common dogs, okay. But I was able to tell her that little fellow, okay, was out of danger and convulsingly rapidly. And now, in all her question, his answer was only that the dog is, your tricky dog is, getting well, okay, and very soon you will be able to just take it at home. So he was not giving any explanation that what's going on with him, but he was telling that he is getting well, okay, very soon you will be able to take him at home. The word convulsing, okay, seems to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started convulsing means a kind of whimpering, a kind of sneezing, a kind of word that shows that he is now feeling well, better. She started to being round fresh eggs, okay, 2 dozen at a time to build up Tricky strength. Actually, these are the foods, okay, supplied for the dog by the mistress, but these foods were not given to Tricky. These foods were, taken by the narrator, and the narrator used to eat all these things. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs, okay, each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibility of the situation began to dawn on the household. Now, see the facility and the excessive love given by a mistress to her dog. Even the dog was given, wine, alcohol, and eggs, and different kind of very costly food. It was to enrich Tricky, okay, blood. Lunch became, okay, a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. These are the enjoyments, okay, just enjoyed by the narrator and his colleagues, and now they are feeling very very much happy because of the presence of Tricky. Because for Tricky, the mistress is giving, so supplying so many foods, okay, so many kind of costly food, so many kind of flavored food, but these all foods were not given to Tricky but ate up by the narrator and his colleagues. We could hardly believe it, okay, when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky constitution, and the narrator and his friends were totally surprised that even the costly wine, that is brandy, was also supplied, okay, in order to feed Tricky. On Tricky constitution, for a few nights, the fine spit was rolled around, inhaled, and apparently drunk. And this was not given to Tricky, uh, but drank by the colleague of the narrator and the narrator himself. They were days of deep content, means happiness, starting well with the extra egg, okay, in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. These were the happy moments, okay, for the narrator and his colleagues, because these all things were supplied for Tricky, and Tricky was not given a single thing. Those all things were, enjoyed by the narrator and his friends. It was a temptation to keep Tricky, okay, on as a permanent guest, and because of this they develop a sense of temptation, that till they will keep the dog in their kennel, in under their treatment, this kind of food, okay, this kind of delicious food they will be accepting, they will be receiving. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, okay, and after a fortnight, means after 15 days, felt compelled to phone and tell her that little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. And after 15 days, the narrator informed the mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, that now your dog is, feeling now well. His operation is, performed. His surgery was done, but we know that no surgery, no operation was, performed on Tricky. It was a kind of, atmosphere. It was a kind of place where he was kept, and under the absence of proper food, under the absence of access facility, he just improved. He started taking notice of food, okay, that's supplied to other dogs, and he also took interest to just move here and there and just mix up with other dogs, okay. So now with this, he just lost his weight, and now he was feeling better. About 30 feet, you see, recovered of waiting collection. Within minutes, okay, about 30 feet, okay, of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur means after 15 minutes, okay, after within minutes, they could see that a big car. This is a gleaming black metal drew. This is refers to big car, okay, vehicles. They could see. So the chauffeur is the driver, opened the door, okay, and I could just make out of the figure of Mrs. Pomfrey, almost lost in the interior. And now the narrator could see that inside the car, Mrs. Pomfrey was sitting, okay, and almost lost, means he was just thinking about her dog. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. This shows that she was praying. Might be praying, okay, to God that save my dog. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Now, see, this is the excessive pampering, excessive love, excessive affection, okay, from the part of Mrs. Pomfrey, that she was requesting that is my dog, is my bacha is okay, fine, like this. This kind of, uh, excessive love was there. Is he really better? Yes, he is fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. The narrator told her that you just wait, okay? I'm just taking him, okay, for you. I walked through the house, okay, into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurling around and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, trail waving, was the little golden figure. Golden was the fur, okay, fur of that dog, figure of Tricky. So in 2 weeks, he had been, okay, transformed into a lithe, means very lean and thin, hard muscled animal, means from hard muscle, and means initially he was very fat, okay, and now he was very active, energetic, and having hard muscle. He was keeping up well. He was doing very well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, okay. His chest almost, okay, brushing the ground. This shows that now he was doing very well, okay. Now he was okay, completely fit and fine. I carried him back, okay, along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and Tricky saw his, mistress open. And when Tricky saw his mistress, and finally, 2 or 3 lines, I think it is missing from here. So you'll see. And when he saw his mistress, so saw his, and 4 lines or 5 lines are missing there. You please take it out, okay. Mistress, he took off from my arms, means he came out from the arms of the narrator in a tremendous leap. Miss jumped and sailed into Mrs. Pomfrey's lap, and finally reached to the lap of, Mrs. Pomfrey. She gave a startled. Startled means very surprised. Oh, and then had to defend herself as he swam over her. And now she was finally, defending, protecting herself, because the dog was, embracing or just jumping at the body of his narrator, licking her face and barking. The dog was barking and licking the face. This shows that he was missing her. Okay, he was just missing the company of Mrs. Pumphrey, and this shows his affection. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur, means the driver, to bring out the beds, toys, cushion, coats, and bowls. Everything he bring back. Okay, so that this could be given to him. None of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Okay, and now this shows that she was very much happy that night. Finally, her dogs get well soon. The dogs was improved, okay, and finally it was due to the success of surgery. Oh, Mr. Harrier, she cried. This was the thanks. How can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. And finally, she gave thank you very much, okay, for this successful surgery. But this was not a surgery. It is a completely, nonsense that one mistress was, taking the dog very politely and very, you know, excessive lovingly, and due to that, the dog fell ill. So this lesson teaches us that sometimes hard hard work, okay, is very much important. Sometimes if someone uh, uh, scolding you, chiding you, it will, make you strong. It will make you good sense. It will give you a very nice, platform. But if someone loves you enough and very much, you'll become very weak, you will become very lazy, you'll become nobody, okay. So sometimes it is good, okay, to be hard with someone, because if you are very much loving, they will not learn the lesson. Thank you very much. You will do, read the chapters once again and see how the things happens. All the best.